Hello and welcome to NEXT IAS. I'm Dr. Sudhir Kumar and we are coming up with Anthropology Advance Course. It's a kind of crash course that will complete in 20 sessions in 50 hours. The sessions are divided like 5 sessions will be dedicated for socio-cultural anthropology including theories, research methods, etc. 5 sessions will be for biological anthropology, 2 sessions will be for archaeology of paper 1 and paper 2, 4 sessions will be for Indian society part and 4 sessions will be for Indian tribes part. Now, how we will proceed in this course, how we structure this course, let me tell you a little bit about this. So, in every lecture, before we start, we will get a brief overview of the topic that we are going to cover. After that, we will discuss 15 years of previous year questions and we'll try to frame their answers. I will give you a comprehensive outlook of what any answer should look like. That answer will include all important case studies, example, anthropologists, any kind of report that is needed to enrich and make your answer very good. Now, after that, you will get a homework also. I will give you an assignment that you have to write at your home. Come back with a good quality answer and get feedback directly from me. Online students can get it through the email or through the Telegram or WhatsApp, right? In this, you will also get crisp notes, and along with that, I will be your personal mentor till you qualify your examination. So this is it. If you want to ace your preparation, we are here. Thank you. All the very best.